Hello, my name is Dr. Dylan Remick with HealthSource Chiropractic and Progressive Rehab in Baxter. And we have Wade here with us today, who's nice enough to tell us his story about his experience with chiropractic. So Wade, tell me a little bit about how you were feeling when you first started in the office.
Like an old man. I guess, like wishing somebody would just put me underneath a truck and run over me.
When you were at work, how did you feel when you were at work?
It was hard to move, hard to walk around, hard to bend over and do my job sufficiently. So,
What about when you were climbing the stairs at home?
I'd stumble and fall, drag a leg, kind of like you see in the old westerns where a guy gets shot and he's dragging a leg. That's kind of what I felt like.
So you weren't doing very well.
No.
Yeah. Oh, how did you hear about our office?
It was one of those things at the Civic Center here.
Mm-hmm.
You guys were doing, and I walked by, and I think it was Grant stopped me. He said, come here. So I went over there, and he's talked to me a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And, asked about how I was feeling,
Yeah.
some of the stuff I was going through, and I answered his questions, and he says, I got this, he gave me a certificate to come in, and, so I came in, and here I am now.
Okay. What did we do or say that made you want to start care?
That you could do something for me without me ending up being in a wheelchair like I was told years ago.
You were told that years ago.
Yep.
Yeah. Now, how do you feel now?
About like I'm 20 years old.
Nice. And how old did you feel before starting here?
90.
90. So a big change.
I was looking for a wheelchair or walker when I first came in.
Good for you.
And now I'm ready to go dance, and matter of fact, this weekend we're going horse riding.
Good for you. Now, what would you do or tell somebody that was skeptical about trying chiropractic or didn't know if it would even work? What would you tell them?
I've been doing it for on and off for years, through different chiropractor procedures in different places. A lot of people say, oh, they're just there to crack your bones and it's just a bunch of hype. And it's like, you know what? After coming here and going through your course that you guys offer, I'm a firm believer in it, and I'd tell anybody, take the chance, do it. You won't regret it. It's wonderful. It's absolutely, when I'm sitting there, 44 years old, and they're saying you're going to be in a wheelchair, and it's like, there's got to be other options out there besides drugs.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to get into that mess of having to take drugs every day. It's not worth it to have to take one drug to counter-react another drug to keep it from eating your liver, killing your kidneys.
Yeah.
As an alternative to the drugs, this is a better choice.
Yeah.
It's better for you. There's no drugs involved. Little work.
Work's good though.
Oh yeah. Now, like I was always told, nobody's ever died from a little physical labor.
Exactly. Well, take it from Wade. He is doing fantastic, not limping anymore. So if any of you have problems like Wade, or you're wondering if chiropractic can work, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're always here, 218-454-9355.